we're talking about social intelligence, some people may go, oh, that sounds a little bit like emotional intelligence. So what's the difference, would you say, between the two?
It's a good question, and it, you know, I've had to really dive deep on this as well because it can get quite clouded. But basically, social intelligence is part of a cluster of multi-dimensional intelligences. So there was a professor out of Harvard University by the name of Howard Gardner, and he came up with a theory of emotional intelligence, social intelligence, and what the cluster of multidimensional intelligences. And what this means is this old idea of predicting how someone's life potential is going to look based on IQ, a score, is becoming less and less credible.
Yes.
So Goleman would define emotional intelligence, for example, as how you manage your own emotions, individual, so a one-person psychology, whereas social intelligence expands beyond that and it's two-person psychology. So social intelligence is about what happens, what transpires when you connect with someone else.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so emotional is intrapersonal,
yes.
Social is interpersonal, but
yes.
they both complement each other.
Yes, they would.
You need both.
Because in order to do social intelligence, you'd have to be reasonably emotionally intelligent, one would assume.
Correct, yeah. So that's why they get a little bit grey with, are they the same or what's the difference? But there is absolutely a difference.
Right.
Yeah.
And how do you feel that socially intelligent employees, how can they help your customer connections in your business?
So the way it connects to customers is simply, I like to think about it as trust. If trust was the utopia of customer service, to get trust, first, a staff needs to have empathy. An employee needs to have empathy where they're reading the customer in a way where they build rapport, which then leads to some relevant interactions where they're responding to what they're reading to in the most relevant way.
Yes.
And then that leads to the interaction between the two of them is a lot more smoother, which normally forms trust. And so trust is what we all want in business, you know, because that's what brings loyalty.
That's it.
Yeah. So
you're giving over your hard-earned cash to pay for a product or a service. You want that product or service to perform well.
Yeah.